Today, Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar will discuss the topic of the photochemical smog, which is very important topic in the environmental study. In Delhi, photochemical smog formation is taking place, and this is the major problem of the Delhi. In many of the towns like New York, London, photochemical smog formation is taking place. Today we will discuss about what are the causes of the photochemical smog, why the formation of the photochemical smog has to be taken place, what are the effects of the photochemical smog formation in Delhi, in the other cities of the world, where the photochemical smog formation is taking place, what are the prevention measures for the photochemical smog, and how the photochemical smog control can be taken place in Delhi. This is very important topic for the Delhi or the major city where the photochemical smog formation is taking place. Hence, every student must see this lecture video because a complete research on this topic has been done by the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar, and complete data of the Delhi or for the photochemical smog is provided in this lecture. Formation of the photochemical smog. How the formation of the photochemical smog in Delhi is taking place. The largest contributor is the automobiles. Automobile of Delhi is the largest contributor of the making of the smog, and another coal-fired power plant are the another region of the power plant which produces the necessary pollutant to facilitate the formation of the photochemical smog. Due to abundance in areas of the warmer temperature, photochemical smog is the most common in the summer. It varies according to the season. Winter season, the photochemical smog formation is different. In monsoon season, photochemical smog is different. And when the warmer temperature is there, the photochemical smog formation is the more. Photochemical smog forms in the morning when a tremendous number of people are driving their vehicle to the work. In Delhi, when most of the people going to the office in the morning, and the photochemical smog in Delhi forms in the morning. Nitrogen oxide produced in the car engine are introduced into the atmosphere. The car engine releases the nitrogen oxides, and due to this, the formation of taking place, which may combine with the water to form the nitric acid, and with sunlight to produce the similar oxygen atom, which will combine with the molecular oxygen to produce the ozone. Ozone is also produced due to the sunlight. Hotter days means the more photochemical smog. In summer, more photochemical smog formation is in Delhi, especially in the densely populated cities. In the New York, in Berlin, Tokyo, the smogs are formed in the morning. Photochemical smogs are formed in Delhi, Mumbai. So what are the regions? We will go for here. Here, how the photochemical smog is formed is shown in the figure. Nitrogen oxide is released from the car, automobiles, and volatile organic compounds are there, and the peroxynitrite is there. If these make with the when the sunlight falls on these, then the formation of the photochemical smoke is taken place. Complete illustration of the formation of the photochemical smoke is shown here. Complete formation of the photochemical smoke is shown here, that how the sunlight makes an ozone and reacts with the volatile organic compounds and forms this photochemical smoke. The formation of the photochemical smoke is also shown here and completely expand in this figure. Nitric oxide NO, nitrogen dioxide NO2, these are the formed from the industry. Nitric oxide, nitrogen oxide, and the hydrocarbon from the automobiles. These are the here from the oil tank, plant gas station, hydrocarbon is released and nitrogen oxide is released here, and atmospheric oxygen. These are react with the ultraviolet rays and the photochemical reactions are taking place. Photochemical reactions are taking place here. Photochemical smoke oxidant have been shown here. Oxidant consisting mainly of the ozone O3, pen compound, aldehyde, and acrolein. Complete formation how the photochemical smoke is formed can be explained in this figure. When writing the photochemical smoke, all students must make this figure and explain the complete how the photochemical reaction is taking place and how the photochemical smoke formation is taking place. What is the composition? When exposed to the ultraviolet radiation, NO2 gas through the complex series of reaction with the hydrocarbons to produce the components of the photochemical smoke. A mixture of the ozone, nitric acid, aldehyde, and peroxyl nitrite. This is in short form known as the PAN. And other secondary pollutants. These are the composition of the photochemical smoke. NO2, ozone, and the PAN are called the photochemical oxidants. These are the photochemical oxidants. And they react with the oxide certain compounds in the atmosphere within a person lung that are normally oxidized. Even small traces of these chemicals can affect the respiratory tract of the human and animals and damage the crops and trees. This is very harmful. Photochemical smokes are the very harmful. Here the formation of the photochemical smoke. These are the photochemical smoke as shown here. NO2 nitrogen oxide, NO nitric acid, and atomic oxygen there, and the molecular oxygen is there, and these are the hydrocarbon and the PANs is there, ozone O3 is there, and HNO3 nitric acid is there, and this is the solar radiation falling in there, and the photochemical smoke. Photochemical smoke is formed there. This is the phenomena of the photochemical smoke is there. How the photochemical smoke is formed is completely explained here. When writing on the paper, all students have to be made this diagram for the photochemical smoke. You can understand the phenomena, how the photochemical smokes are formed. In Delhi, what are the causes of the photochemical smoke formation? photochemical smog formed in Delhi is majorly due to the primary pollutant released by the following processes. Vehicular emission. With increase in number of vehicles on the road, there was a significant increase observed in the NOx emission since the 2005 as due to the CNG's high flash point or nitrogen react with the oxygen, thus increasing the NOx emission and increment in the vehicular emission, which comes from the exhaust of the two-wheelers and the passenger cars. These are the vehicular emissions are the cause of the photochemical smog formation in Delhi. Another reason is the stubble burning in the adjoining states. An estimated 35 million tons of the residual stubbles are burnt in the state of the Punjab and Haryana, which account for up to 60% of the air pollution in Delhi. Main reason, 60% of the air pollution in Delhi due to the stubble burning in the adjoining state in the Punjab in Haryana. Due to this, in general, photochemical smog is far away from the site, which is the source of the prescription. Moreover, the flow of air in Delhi is from west to east to the stubble smog and reaches here, and in winter, due to the stagnant air, it leads to the formation of the smog. Flow of the air in Delhi is from west to east due to the stubble smog that reaches here, and in winter, due to the stagnant air, it leads to the formation of the smog, stubble burning in the adjoining states. Another reason is the industrial exhaust. The smoke from the various industries and the power plant comprises total suspended particle, SOx and NOx. Main pollutants from the smoke are the release of the SOx and the NOx. Suspended particles are there. Other factors. Some other factors leading to the smog formation may include continuous construction and demolition of the activity which cause suspension of the dust in the air. Construction and demolition activity which releases the dust in the air. Burning of the municipal solid waste is the other factor. Road dust is the other factor, and diesel generators are the other factor. These are the factors, other factors for the photochemical smog formation in Delhi. Another is the particulate matter, PM10, PM2.5. The particulate matter released in the form of the smoke and scope from the vehicular and the industrial exhaust, and also due to burning of the fossil fuels, such as suspended particulate matter and the respirable suspended particulate matter remain in the air in the form of the particulate suspension. आ रहे 5 मिनट में आ रहे हाँ आ रहे तो सुनील चाचा NOx, the main pollutant released from the vehicular exhaust and the industrial smoke act as a primary pollutant, which constitutes N of the NO and NO2 reacts in the atmosphere in the form of the secondary pollutants. Volcanic organic compound. These are the organic compounds present in the ambient air, such as benzene, toluene, and cycloethylene, etc., which is the major contributor to the smog formation, as their primary pollutants are there. PAN, peroxyl nitrite, is the nitrite that form from the vehicle emission and the presence of the Na2 and the light is an eye irritant and are the metagreen. Ozone in troposphere is known as the bed ozone formed during the photochemical reaction between the primary pollutant, which is primary constitute of the photochemical smoke. Ozone causes severe health effects. What are the effects of the photochemical smoke formation in Delhi? These are explained here. Photochemical smoke has many adverse effects when combined with the hydrocarbon, the chemicals contained within it from the molecules that cause the eye irritation. The people complain about the eye irritation in Delhi. Radicals in the air interfere with the nitrogen cycle and preventing the destruction of the ground level zone. Other effects include reduced visibility and the respiratory elements are there. Ground level ozone is also produced, which has the various effects on the human body. These are the effects due to the photochemical smoke formation. Negative effects are there. These effects are shown here. Increase in the air pollution and smoke is causing an emergency-like situation in Delhi. That causes an emergency-like situation in Delhi, which not only causes the severe health effect, but also affect the local vegetation, flora, and the fauna of the Delhi. Starting from the mild elements like cough and cold, shortness of the breath, eye irritation, watering of the eye, to acute disease such as the frequent asthma attacks, incident heart disease, chronic pulmonary obstructive disease, and the pneumonia. These are the diseases caused by the effect of the smoke. Cough and cold, shortness of the breath, eye irritation, watering of the eyes, acute disease, asthma attacks, heart disease, chronic obstructive disease, and pneumonia. People are going to the hospital due to the photochemical smoke formation. Hence, a precaution is to be taken place that how the photochemical smoke is to be reduced and minimized in Delhi. Cardiovascular disease are taking place. Other pulmonary disease, in the worst cases, it may lead to the lung cancer and the heart attacks. It may due to the lung cancer and the heart attacks. In plants, ozone has detrimental effects on the plant, such as reduction in the leaf area, flowering, decreases in the photosynthesis water, use efficiency, which primary affect horticultural plants and the chemical crop. It may cause a direct effect to such making plant susceptible to the fungi and the pathogen attack. These are the effects of the photochemical smoke formation in Delhi. In the research done by the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar, the study area taken of the Delhi. Delhi lies in the northern part of the India with an area of the latitude and the longitude respectively. Considering the geography and the climate condition, Delhi is a semi-region and the scorching summer, average rainfall, and the chilly winters are there. In Delhi, chilly winters are there. Average rainfall. There is the problem of the rainfall in Delhi. And a scorching summer. Very high heat is there in Delhi. It lies 160 kilometers to the south of the Himalayas at an elevation of the 160 kilometers from the sea level. national capital of the India, Delhi, is facing a major crisis pertaining to the air pollution. Rapid construction of the modern state with all high-tech facility such as industrialization, modernization to a less massive deterioration of the immediate were free. Such circumstances are determinantal for the health of the huge population that resides here. One of the visible piece of the evidence of the increasing pollution level is the photochemical smoke. Delhi is facing major crisis pertaining to air pollution. This is the study area of Delhi in the every state. The data have been collected in Delhi. In this area of the study of the Delhi has taken place in the East Delhi, South Delhi, North Delhi, West Delhi. And this Yamuna is flowing here in this side. Yamuna is flowing here in the Wazirabad. This is the Yamuna river which is flowing in Delhi. Yamuna is also polluted. This is our study area where the photochemical smoke formation of Delhi is taken place. These are the 10 of the volatile organic compound have been shown here. Average benzene, average toluene. How much average benzene in the monsoon, average toluene in the monsoon, average benzene in the post-monsoon, average toluene in the post-monsoon, average benzene in the summer, average toluene in the summer, average benzene in the winter, average toluene in the winter. For the every 4 season, the data have been collected by the team of the Professor Dr. Manoj Kumar, and the data have been shown here. Real-time smog of Delhi has been divided into the seasonal study of the for the better observation. Seasons that have been considered are the summer, March to May, monsoon, June to September, post-monsoon, October and November, and the winter, December to February. The trends of the volatile organic compounds are the shown here, toluene and benzene. Decreased level of the volatile compounds is shown from the summer to monsoon and sudden increase at the post-monsoon, which contribute to the winter smoke. Oxides of the nitrogen visualization in Delhi is shown here for the monsoon, post-monsoon, summer and the winter. In the monsoon having this size of the average NOx is there. In the post-monsoon, average NOx have been shown there. In the summer, the average NOx is shown there. In the winter, it increases. Monsoon, it is remain less. In post-monsoon, this is the increase. In summer, it is increase. In winter, it is too much there. Complete study of the nitrogen visualization have been studied here and the shown here. The variation of the NOx can be directly associated with the haze created, which represent the distinct concentration of the XOX post-monsoon concentration is relatively high in the entire season. Figure can be seen the different size circle on the figure. Oxide further shows the oxides of the nitrogen, NO2, and seen to be the fluctuating levels of the NO. Again, the drastic increase in the concentration can contribute to the smoke created for the entire year through the seen in the post-monsoon. NO2 and NO trend in the different seasons. What are the trend of the NO and NO2? It is shown here. In the monsoon, it is less. NO is less, NO2 is less. post monsoon, it is in average increases there. In the summer, it is increasing. And in the winter, it is too much increasing. And this is time of the winter is there. Hence, the pollution is too much in Delhi. This figure have been drawn with the data collected, which have been studied area of the Delhi, which have been shown here. Concentration of the ozone figure represents the seasonal trend of the ozone. Formation of ozone in summer is highest due to radiation from the sun and eventually shows the correlation of the ozone and the thermal. In the monsoon, this is the formation of the ozone. In the post-monsoon, this is the formation of the ozone in Delhi. In the summer, it is too much higher ozone is formed in Delhi. In the winter, it is the formation of the ozone in Delhi. Particulate measure average visualization are shown here. In the monsoon, in the post-monsoon, in the summer, in the winter. It is increases in the winter. In the summer, then it is increases. In the 4 season, all the year data have been collected for the Delhi. And it is shown here. Figure indicates the PM concentration in the different season. The lightest shade presents the least value during the monsoon and the most driest value in the post-monsoon. Different environment and factor, temperature, relative humidity, wind speed, and wind direction can be observed. This is the formation of the particulate matter. And we have studied the region of the photochemical smoke formation in Delhi, and data is collected through this research. And this lecture or the research paper is the best research paper to understand the photochemical smoke formation in Delhi. This is the a study area of the Delhi where the region for the photochemical smoke formation have been considered. This is the phenomena of the photochemical smoke formation which have been shown here. This is the, you can see the photochemical smoke throughout spreading in Delhi, how the photochemical smokes are spread in Delhi.